Tyler, say hi, faves.
Hi, faves.
Hi, guys.
Hi, faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Mama.
Good afternoon and good night. Yes, Tyler.
What's over there?
What's over there?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a motorbike shop. It's a school. It's a bike school. He's been counting scooters and big bikes all along the way. Anyway, you guys, how are you guys doing? I'm not gonna be doing all the screaming and the excitement of my personality today because I don't want to be coughing. Okay, good job. It's a late start to our vlog today, but that's okay. You guys getting one by mere luck today because if I didn't leave the house. Yeah, that's one. If I didn't leave the house today, you guys wouldn't get a vlog because I was. Yes, baby, it is a scooter. Two of them. I wasn't feeling good all day in terms of I was just so tired, and I was just leaning. But then my craving hit me real hard, and I decided that if I don't go today, probably I will never get it the entire week, and I'll make babe life a miserable hell because I won't stop complaining until I get it. So I said, you know what? I'm going to that restaurant to search for cheesecake. I'm going there not even knowing if they have the cheesecake, but I need to get cheesecake. Yes, Tyler?
I want rice, salad, and chicken.
Okay, you want rice, salad, and chicken today?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what you're gonna order when you're ordering your food, okay? Rice, salad, and chicken. So it's Sunday and we're out. It's been looking cloudy all day today. Maybe I'm just feeling the way outside's looking because it's looking really sad outside. It's cloudy. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. So we're on our way to the restaurant to have din, and I just woke up and get a quick shower and get ready and leave the house. Tyler was taking a nap, so he just woke up and just put on his clothes, and we are out and about. Yeah, so we are on the promenade heading to town because the restaurant that I want the cheesecake from is in the middle of town. So that's where we're going. So let's go. And you guys see this eye? My eye's getting red. But
my eye getting red.
your eye's getting red too?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna be red eyes together.
Only you.
Okay, so we're gonna be red eyes together?
Yeah.
Right, so we're forever twinning. Like it's just now when I leave the house I realized that his pants is the color of my dress. So we're unconsciously matching.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
It's the same color.
Yes, it is the same color. We are wearing the same color. Isn't that cool?
It's purple.
No, it's not purple. It's burgundy.
Purple.
We're back to this again.
It's a dark purple.
That's good.
Right. A dark red.
No, it's a dark purple.
Okay.
Tyler?
We always say the
Tyler?
truth coming from the mouth of the kids. So.
Tyler, listen to mama. This color is called burgundy. Can you say burgundy?
Don't tell him about.
Honey, you're not helping. I'm gonna just give you an elbow right now, and you're in a good position to get it. Tyler, this color is called burgundy. It's not purple, okay? Very good, my good boy. If you ever tell him about it's a dark purple,
It's still dark pink. Dark pink.
No, baby, it's not dark pink, it's burgundy. Okay? Very good. Babe and colors. Anyway, you guys, that's what the promenade is looking like. Very sad. Can't even see the beach properly. The sun is trying to peek out for the sunset, but that's not working. Look at those little girls skating, so cute. Yeah, my dream is to learn how to do skate. I can't. I've never done it, but I just think that if I do it, I'll be so good at it.
Like tennis?
Yeah, just like I think if I play tennis, I'll be so good at it, and I'm a mess. I'm a hot mess at tennis. I can't serve. I only try one time, but I think if I continue to do it, I can still be good. I remember the one time I do it, I'm like, Lord, it didn't look that hard, but sure, to serve was not cool. My balls would be going all over the place. My balls. That don't sound right either, but oh well. Ooh, the promenade is so pretty with the palm trees. So how great. You guys, we are walking in town, walking through the park. Yeah, I see. We're passing through the park to go to the restaurant that we're going, and it's so beautiful. I saw this, I had to take out my camera. So pretty. Don't know why the display, but I think it's because Carnival is coming up. Why that beautiful display. And as usual, this one, and the big wheel is there. Look at Mama. Yeah.
That.
It's for you to color.
I don't see the crayon.
It's in the box. Wait, let me fix it for you.
In this box?
No. Oh yeah. Oh, these are cards. Let me see this one. You can color. Wow. Come, let me open this for you.
How can I color these?
Yeah, you're gonna color it.
Like that?
Yeah. However you want. I like your crown.
He needs blue. Yes! Yes!
I wanna sit in
It's
front of you.
blue. Mama. Mama.
Beside it, so you can control him and figure it.
Okay. In front of him.
I need a drink.
I want something.
Give me a smile. Give me a smile. Let me take a picture of your crown. 2. Look at Mama. Sing.
This.
Kiss time.
I'm hungry.
I know you're very hungry. You haven't eaten since lunch. Tell us you're hungry, so he's digging in. Eat up. It's okay. And babe and I drinking virgin pina colada, and he's having my favorite beer, of course. Enjoy without me.
For you.
You're wicked. My heart's desire, you guys.
That's the reason why we're here.
That's the reason why we came here. This is the reason for it all. Babe, oh look yummy. Baby, you've taken that one before, so I know what it is like. And Tala is having push-up ice cream. Who is that? Okay, let's do notification shout out.
No. Shout out goes to
Tatania T.
that is the
Tatania T. And Nicola Waugh.
But I don't think
Nicola don't have any picture, but her name is there. Say Nicola Waugh.
What is here?
No, the blue one. You guys, when he's doing notification shout out, he likes to see the picture of the person beside the name. So listen, y'all need to put some pictures beside your name so my baby can see who he's doing shout out to, okay? Oh, you're gonna break my glasses on my face. Oh my gosh. Oh, I get these random hugs and kisses these days more than the usual, like nothing. I love you. What's on your face here? What's this?
I don't know.
Okay. Alright, it's time to go to bed, okay?
Okay.
Alright, run along, little one. Oh, you're just gonna give mama lots of kisses and hugs.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to bed. Go on.
Big one.
Oh, a big one for mama.
Tight.
Oh, tight. Oh, run for English book and come back. Let's do book first.
Yes,
Yes, you're pretty girl because you love book. Yes. Go choose a book and come back. Mama waiting for you. Yes, I'm staying, you guys. See, my eyes still red. We got back from off the road. We had an amazing evening out. I got back and was chatting up with the fam, and now it's after 10 p.m. Tala is on vacation, so I'm not putting him to bed his usual 8 p.m. So I'm gonna read him a book, put him to bed, and then I'll come back to end the vlog with Babe before we head to bed. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. You guys, we're coming on to end the vlog real quick because it's chill time for me with this one red eye and one white eye. Who got your haircut? I gave Babe a haircut before we left earlier.
Yeah.
Alright.
I needed it.
Oh yeah, his hair was really high. What's the French expression, honey?
I don't. I remember last time I told you. Oh, it was like to be a light. You remember when I give you this expression? You're not a light. Like you're not very smart.
Yeah.
This one is similar. Is when somebody do something stupid. We used to say different expression, and one of this expression is il n'a pas inventé l'eau chaude, mean he doesn't invented the hot water. That's a kind of way to say like this person can do nothing. Is we have different things to say, and this is one of the things. Il n'a pas inventé l'eau chaude.
Il n'a pas inventé l'eau chaude.
L'eau chaude.
L'eau chaude.
Right, the hot water. He didn't mean you're good to nothing.
Alright, I'm gonna give the Jamaican expression of that one. And when someone is a complete idiot and don't know how to do anything, in Jamaica we call them a idiboo.
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 Okay. Yeah,
you're
idiboo.
a damn idiboo.
Yeah, idiboo.
Right, yeah, idiboo. You don't know how to do nothing, you're stupid.
Yeah, baka.
Yeah.
In Naruto they're gonna say baka.
You watch more damn Naruto. Anyway, you guys, if it's your first time to channel, be sure that you subscribe and keep up with the fam and turn on your notification bell, that way you don't miss out on a video. And if you don't get a video Monday to Friday, go to our channel every day. A vlog will be there waiting on you with our pretty faces. Anyway, you guys, love you guys, catch and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.